Ki khubor ka Batese TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bak penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka St. Edmunds College haka khat pratarik ulber arjar penrio kala pelong yaka World Social Work Day Interfaith Leader Dialogue yaka bala pelong ha auditorium jongka college ha kani program balai simbenta da kinong yalam jongki kinhon jad niam baper ki badan hapo kani jela kila penpau yaka jingang nut bandan ka syongsok syongsan bat ka jingeteli kum ka jad benrio ki basyong basa ha kani jela Syuaban sedang yakani ka jing yathir, kala donru ka jing pedang buram yakin nong yalam niam baper. Da u principal in charge ka St. Edmunds College, u brother Sunil Brito, ha ringkat ka jing sakhilang ki no hingkai ka St. Edmunds College, ki samla puli, ki khna school bat kiwei.
The Irish background, where the first disciple of so to say, the foremost disciple of Swami Vivekananda, Elizabeth Margaret Noble, who was later called as Sister Nivedita, she dedicated her life to the cause of India and Indian independence, and she became the foremost disciple of Swami Vivekananda. In that way, we share the brotherhood. And when it comes to the word, this Harambe, I was looking in Google, what must be the way we should pronounce it, whether it's Harambe or Harambe. Then I delved into the root from where this particular word has come, as it was told by Brother Principal, that this is a Swahili word. It goes back to the roots of 1900s. You must have seen there's a singer, Rita Marley, who is a very famous singer. And she has sung on this particular word, the songs, where Indian laborers who went to Kenya to build the railways there, Kenya-Uganda railways, they started singing. We also, use various words here, right?
When we talk about the voice of the majority is always loud. Let me share something from, one of the most, the basic tenet of Khasi religion. One of the principles is, we say, E yalade, buram yakiwei. It translates to love your own, love yourself, and respect others. So I think Brother Sunil set the tone when he stressed on the word respect. When there is respect, the majority will also respect the voice of the minority. So when the minority feels heard, there will never be any kind of discord. So the majority has a big role to play in bringing about harmony, in bringing about peace. Because if the majority also listens to the voice of the minority feels heard. And they will also feel, they will not feel any kind of fear or any kind of threat from any of the forces that might be, trying to create any kind of discord or disharmony.
Yes, the faith leaders have a very important role to play. But I believe that every one of us has a role to play. And of course, as faith leaders, to bring God into the picture is one thing. Prayer, dialogue, this is something that is very, very important. When you talk about the majority, in a situation like this, it has a lot of phases, but definitely the majority can play a very important role, because we have also to remember that in a society like ours, we have what I call the diversity. And in this diversity, let us take everyone today is because we have got unity in diversity. I think this is very, very important, that everyone is taken into account, everyone is respected. I think that is something that is beautiful. I think let us take India as a country where we have got majority, we have got minority, but everyone can live together and everyone can respect each other. So I believe that in the majority, whether in any situation for that matter, I think a sense of respect for each and everyone I think that is something that's important. As we have already heard that peace, hope, faith has to be cultivated every day. And I believe that here also in our state of Meghalaya or in the country as a whole, I think let us have that sense of respect.
As we know, as today's theme also says, society. When we say society, society comprises of people, and people will always be diverse. It cannot be same. But diversity is actually a strength. Diversity is not a weakness of the society. Diversity is the strength. And the most apt example of that would be our hand. All the fingers are diverse, but when it is together, only then it is strong. So diversity is not weakness, diversity is strength. But when does it become weak? When we divide. Division is weakness. Divisions are dangerous. Diversity is not. Various powers, various intentions to sort of divide the society, maybe in the name of religion, maybe in the name of language, maybe in the name of communities, maybe in the name of caste, or even gender and age, or communities.
We are really delighted to be here, meeting our friends here and, listen to each other, getting their wisdom, what we can learn from each other. It's really, time and again I feel this kind of meeting has to be there because we can learn a lot from each other. So on the whole, what I would like to say, what we practice in Buddhism is we promote diversity. One should not stick to one's values very rigidly. We should be very open so that we can accept, we can learn wisdom from others, and then we can learn and then we can work collaboratively to make the society a better place, a harmonious place. So here, we don't compete with each other saying that my religion is better than yours. Here, we are here to be, there need not be only one religion for all. There may be diverse religions, different faiths for different society, which has evolved depending on culture, norms, topography. So there may be various paths for spiritual growth.
Well, the distinguished panel before me have touched upon all gamut of the questions that arise and may arise for me to elaborate, but I'll try and speak and try to represent the thoughts of the community I represent. Beg your indulgence. First, I would like to mention that my own son was the first alumni of Department of Social Work, and also the social work he showed invited another alumni of Department of Social Work who is now my daughter-in-law. So they learned their lessons well about social work and coming together, and they belong to different ethnic backgrounds, religious backgrounds, but I'm proud to say, despite differences of the religion, it never came in their way. They do fight about other things.
For once, I'm ready before her. चले!
Gorgeous.
Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है. Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? फैमिली का सबसे यंगेस्ट भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.